so this question, I need to come up with this formula. I don't really know how to find it yet, so I'm just going to use this kind of triangle to figure out what I can find out. So I can see that there's my unknown. I have 3 sides and an angle, so hopefully you understand that we're using cosine rule, and you know this is 6b, meaning it's cosine rule section. So all I have to do is set it up. So cosine, I might just write it as cosine 60 equals, so the 2 adjacent sides added together, take away the opposite side, and then it's 2 of the adjacent side. So this is what I get. I might write the bottom numerator without the times sign. Alright, so now I have a fraction, meaning I can cross multiply. Well, cos 60, I should be able to figure out what that is. That's actually a half. So I'm going to replace cos 60 with a half. And then now I'm going to replace this equation as a cross multiply. I'm going to simplify this as 12x. So now I cross multiply and I get 12x equals 2 times 36 plus x squared take 49. So if I expand that, I get, maybe I'll just get rid of the 2 from this side to make my life easier. So I get 6x equals 36 plus x squared take 49. Now I'm going to wanting to make it look like that. So I'm going to add these 2 together. 36 take 49. That's just going to be simply x squared take 13. I've got 6x. I don't want it on this side. I want it all on this side. So I'm going to remove it. So I get a formula. That's x squared take 13 take 16x. And that's exactly what I wanted. So equals 0. So it's just written on the other side. So I've done A, so B, I'm going to hence find the value of x. So at the moment, I've got my quadratic. So that should be pretty easy to solve. You've got multiple ways to solve quadratic. Can I use sum and product? Not that I can see, so I'm just going to straight away use my calculator. You could use quadratic formula. Maybe I'll give it a go with quadratic formula and confirm my answer on the calculator. So my A is 1. So this should be really easy for you now because we've done it so many times. So our equation is, can't remember, minus B plus or minus B squared 4AC 2A. So 6 plus or minus square root of 36 take 4 minus 13 divided by 2 times 1. So that's 6 plus or minus 36 plus 52 divided by 2. So I get 6 plus or minus square root 88 over 2. I'm going to take a 2 out of the square root, meaning there should be 22 left in there, because 4 times 22 is 88. And then now I can divide both terms by 2, so I get 3 plus or minus square root 22 should be my exact answers, and write my units. So unfortunately, if you have a look at the answer, we know that we shouldn't really have a minus answer, so we know that the answer should be 3, or let me just try 3 take square root 22. That should give me a minus answer, and I can't have a minus length, so the answer should be the positive option only, as it's a length. And I think that's it. That's the exact answer. Let me just double check. 3 plus square root 22. Brilliant.